Hi scientists! We have learned that decomposers break down dead or decaying matter and make them nutrients that are a part of the soil. Then the plants grow in the soil and then animals eat the plants. And it's a cycle that happens over and over. So step 1 says that you have your biosphere model. So you should have your biosphere model with you. It says, does your model include decomposers? So look at your biosphere model right now. We know that decomposers are worms, mushrooms, bacteria, or mold. And there's a question on this page that says, what will happen to waste and decaying plants in your dome? Well, 5th graders, if we don't have any decomposers, our waste and decaying plants are going to pile up, and it is going to be gross and stinky in our dome. So right now, I want you to look at your model, and I want you to add decomposers to your ecosystem. Here's a reminder. Decomposers are mushrooms, bacteria, worms, mold. Now, bacteria are microscopic, right? But it's okay in a model to draw things that are too small for us to see. You would just need to make sure that, that you label. And remember, we have underground here. We learned about worms and where worms are most likely going to be. So thinking about where you might want to include the worms, maybe you've got some mushrooms growing. Maybe you even start a compost pile and there's bacteria and fungi on the compost. So you could find a spot in your model where you would build, and so you can just draw it, but you would build a compost pile to help make sure that all of our dead and decaying matter that's in our model doesn't build up. So please take time to add decomposers to your ecosystem now.